2, 3, and 4. Triple step and sway, 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 sway. Triple step, triple hit. 1, 2, in, out. Triple step, triple step. Right there, perfect. It goes and walk, walk, triple step, switch the hands. Walk, walk, triple step. Then we can back our truck up. Walk, walk, triple step. This is a side pass. The ladies have the same footwork, leaders have the same rhythm. Triple step. We can then give a preparatory motion. In, out. We release that into a spin. Triple step. That in, out is the preparation for the spin. We don't have to crank her. We then show that we can pick her up on 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can keep that hand if you want to. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. This is kind of a fun little thing to do. Triple step, triple step. We then showed you can pick up that hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Leaders can walk around her. Triple. Try to be slightly towards her on that last step so she'll bounce into some sways with you to be all cool. From this position over here, she syncopates for 1 foot. Triple step, then we're back to the races doing the same move. Triple step, back, back. You can do the same thing back and forth. We also showed the double head loop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step, sway, 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 sway. Triple over his head, triple over her head. She stays still for 2 walks. Walk, walk. I then prep her. In, out. Triple step, triple step. Never hurts to finish with another side pass. You can travel on your anchor if you want to change your spacing. Whole thing top to bottom looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. Triple step. That's when we didn't get to. The whole thing we did get to looks like this. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step and sway, 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 sway. Triple step, triple hit. 1, 2, in, out. Triple step, 1, 2. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Courtney.